Wow,
Yes, hello.
you look like a queen. You look
Oh,
like a
thank you.
Oh, you are welcome. So, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
You are welcome. So, where are you from? I'm from Bangladesh.
Ah, neighbor country.
Yeah, yeah. So, what time is it now there?
In Philippines, I don't think so. It's already 2 o'clock or 12 midnight, but I'm in Europe. It's already 5:15.
Okay, right now you live in Europe.
Yeah, in Europe,
Okay, which country in Europe?
Sweden.
Sweden. Okay. Can you tell me why you go there? I mean, why you live there for working or study?
Working. I'm working here.
Okay, okay. So good. So, what's your
Yeah,
name?
Shasha.
Shasha. Okay, Shasha. Nice to meet you, Shasha.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay. So, can we be friend?
Yeah, you can follow me.
Okay, let's
So
follow
I
each
can
other.
follow you.
Okay, I'm following you. Are you married or unmarried?
I'm married
Married. Okay. So, where is your husband? He with you or Philippines?
here in Europe.
Oh, do you have any children?
Yes, I have many siblings.
Many, no, not siblings. I said, do you have any children? Kids.
Children. Okay, children, I have three.
Three children.
Yeah, why you got
Okay.
shocked?
Okay, I'm shocked. Because I thought your age is just 22. I thought.
Yeah, you good. I'm 23.
23. Then how is possible you have three children?
Magic.
Magic.
Got to believe in magic.
That means you and your husband is magician, right?
Yeah, triplets. I have triplets.
Okay, okay.
I
So,
have children, three children.
okay.
And you?
Mm,
And
I'm
you, and you, and you?
I'm I'm still unmarried.
Yeah, but you have children.
No, no, no. I don't have any children because I don't have wife and I didn't marry and I didn't marry.
I've been heard that many times to the guy. Every time they said like that.
No, no, no. Listen to
I'm
me.
not married.
Okay,
I don't have children.
wait. Listen to me first. I am here for practice English with foreigner. I mean strangers because I'm so weak in English.
So it means you study
Yeah,
in Europe to speak English?
yeah. I'm right now. I live in Bangladesh. Yeah,
Bangladesh.
yeah,
Yes, I look like a queen. Queen of dragon?
yeah.
The queen of dragon.
Yeah, really.